Hey, it's Benny Boy from Shane's Trees. Today we're talking about a bit of a tricky situation where you want to remove a tree or prune a tree and your neighbour just won't let it happen. Although owner's permission is always recommended, in some rare cases, permission from the owner for pruning or removal of the tree is not required. 1. The tree pruning is exempt from council approval and can be worked on from your property, and access to the owner's property is not required. 2. In an emergency situation where the tree has been assessed by a qualified arborist to be an imminent risk to life and property. 3. When a land and environment court order has been issued. So it's a very tricky situation when your neighbour won't allow you to prune or remove a tree that's on their property, but may be causing your property damage or keeping you awake at night. There are some tips and tricks we can use in this circumstance, but the best one is to find a way to mediate and get on with your neighbour and get their approval. Stay tuned, I'll be back next time for another video.